How to enable or disable GPU debug layers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search GPU debug layers from here. Scroll down. You will see GPU debug layers is here. If you want to enable GPU debug layers, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see GPU debug layers is enabled. If you want to disable GPU debug layers, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see GPU debug layers is disabled. You will enable or disable GPU debug layers from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable GPU debug layers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.